Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Wealth Fusion. So, today we had a very fantastic day, and let us see today's performance of our stocks. First stock, Mahindra. So, you can see this stock performed pretty well today. Our buy range was 810, and first target and second target both was hit, and it made I till 820. So, it was a very pretty good move today. So let us see our next stock, Cipla. So in Cipla, it hit our buy range and went till 934, almost 935. You can see, but it could not meet our first target. Nor stop loss was hit, but it was in the range between 926 and 929 around. You can see it was maintaining at the same range. So guys who would have entered, you could have exit cost to cost in this stock. This stock would have performed well, but the pharma sector today was bit weak, so it was in range. And another two stocks which we recommended yesterday did not go active. Let us see Nifty levels. 15,175 spot with immediate resistance at 15,240 with major resistance at 15,330. In support side, 15,120 will act as immediate support and 15,050 will act as major support. Let us see Bank Nifty levels. Current spot 34,686 with immediate resistance at 34,800 and 35,000 will be acting as major resistance, and support 34,200 will be immediate support and 34,000 will be a major support for tomorrow. So first stock which we recommend for tomorrow will be Axis Bank. So Axis Bank, you can buy this stock at 734 with stop loss 729 and immediate target will be 739 and target to 744. Let us see next stock, IndusInd Bank. So in IndusInd Bank, you can buy this stock at 1021 with stop loss 1012 and first target will be 1030 and target 2 will be 1039. Let us see the next stock for next trading session. Bharti Airtel, you can buy this stock at 534 with this stop loss 530 and target 1 538 and target 2 542. And next stock which we recommend for next trading session is Hindustan Unilever. You can buy this stock at 2368 with stop loss 2358 and first target will be 2378 and target 2 will be 2388. So thank you guys, as we recommend all the beginners to do paper trading initially for at least for 3 months. Tomorrow we'll be uploading a special episode with weekly performance on the stocks which we recommended for current week. So we'll be making a summary report with the profit and loss summary for the week so that you can glance and you can trade confidently. Okay, do subscribe to our channel, click like, and if you have any concerns you can type in comment box. You can also join our Telegram group for live updates in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and even you get the live calls there. Thank you guys. Have a great day.